Okay, now we're onto the coffee table. As you can see, this plate of glass is much heavier and much longer. So I've had to put paint tubs underneath to hold the weight. And as always, I'll get the level out and make sure it's 100% level. You always want to wipe down your surface before painting on it. Alcohol wipes or baby wipes will do, just to ensure it's 100% clean before working on it. Colours I'm using again are Heraldo. There's some raspberry there, lay, deep sea, white paint of course. That's the White House paint. This one's Francheville Rose Gold Metallic. Same amounts as we did in the previous video. And of course our medium, which is the Floetrol. Once again, we want to ensure that we mix it 100%. So we scrape the bottom, scrape the sides and scrape the stick to ensure there's no lumps. I have 3 cups of the deep sea. That's the colour that I want to show off the most in the painting. So I've used extra. Alright, there's my level. This time I've used the level on the phone. And this technique we're going to do is a dirty pour flip cup. So I've got there 1, 2, 3, 4 cups, and I think I had another one as well. But I want to layer the colours. So first in is always the dark. That's the heaviest. And then I add a little bit of each other colour after each other. I want to make sure I have enough paint to fill the whole, canvas or piece. So I'll add another cup there. It's always best to have a little bit more paint than you need because you can use that on another project. And here I'm just putting some extra paint down. Just to sort of create barriers between each of those flip cups. You pick them up really fast and turn them over upside down. Wait at least 30 seconds so the paint's got a chance to come down the cup. Then you pick each one up one by one. Sometimes I leave the cups on there for a few seconds, just so more paint comes out. Now, I first tried moving this by myself, but the glass was too heavy, so I asked my partner to come and help me, forgetting that I was standing right in front of the camera. So you want to tilt so the paint comes over the sides. So you want to cover every inch of that glass. Then you can add your little effects afterwards. I wanted a little bit more pink on those sides. And then obviously you get out your flame, pop all the bubbles again. Make sure that you cover all the areas to get rid of all the air bubbles. Now this one will take probably 5 to 7 days to dry. There's a lot of paint on there. So I'll leave it exactly where it is to dry. Just a quick video showing you the end result. So this one I wouldn't resin for another couple of weeks at least. But I wanted to show you a different technique.